All right, good morning, Coleraine All-Stars. Let's go over the problem of the day. I put a few extra words in this problem to see if you could come through and decide what you needed to know for the problem. So I'm going to read it out loud, then we'll underline and box what we know and what we need to know, and then we'll solve the problem together. Okay? Abby was jumping rope at recess. She decided she could count how many jumps she could do without stopping. In the first set, she got to 8 jumps before stopping. In the second and third sets, she got to 8 jumps before she stopped. How many jumps did she do in all? As you can see here, I've gone ahead and underlined. The first set, she had 8 jumps. The second and third sets, she also had 8 jumps. And we're looking for how many jumps did she do in all. Okay, so here I have what I know. The problem tells me in the first set, the second set, and the third set, she did 8 jumps for each set. What I'm looking for is I want to know how many jumps did she do in all. So now that I know the information I have and what I'm looking for, I can show my thinking and how I think about the problem. So here I've drawn an array. I have 3 rows. You can see here, 1, 2, 3. And inside each row, I have 8 jumps. Let's go ahead and skip count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember, one thing I can do is I can write the number at the end of each row so I remember where I left off. This might not be useful for this type of problem, but when you get into higher multiplication, it might be. So I have 8 here, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm going to write 16 right here. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay? And eventually, if I keep practicing whispering skip counting, I'll be able to count by 8s. 8, 16, 24. Okay? So my equation for this problem is 3 times 8 equals 24. So remember, I want to ask myself also, what am I counting? I'm counting the number 8. How many times am I counting it? I'm counting it 3 times. Okay? So that is how we solve the problem of the day for April 27th, 2020. Very nice job, you guys.